afternoon cheer and welcome to a very special video. Many have been asking me why I put a half on those peanut butter balls back in that video I did earlier back around May. Well, you may be wondering why, or you may not. I don't care. Either way, this is an awesome recipe I thought I'd show. So, without further ado, we have peanut butter balls, some chocolates, a jar of peanut butter, some cups, and the key ingredient, ice cream. Now, we got mostly Reese's, peanut butter, and vanilla ice cream. Well, thanks to this cup and this blender, this cup I'm going to use to pack it in, we are going to make a Reese's peanut butter blizzard. I know they've been canceled for a while, so I've been waiting. Well, without further ado, let's start making it. So first, you want to start by getting your cup, getting your vanilla ice cream, and getting your spoon out. We're going to start filling this cup about part of the way up with ice cream for a good measurement of roughly how much. I say one good scoop like this should do for a good old-fashioned start. Now, we're gonna make this in parts because there's actually something, I don't know that if people had this, noticed. We're gonna put the ice cream back here for a moment. Also, a quick note, you may want to hurry because everything starts melting. Start by getting your blender, opening it up. Now that you got your amount of ice cream put, simply transfer it. Whoops. In case of accidents like this, delicious accidents. That's why you keep your workplace clean right before you do this. I made sure to sterilize mine. I don't know if you viewers at home will or not. So, next, we get to some of the inner bits. Because I'm not making this very big or from pre-made like they do, these will have to do. I'm thinking right now using 1 to 1.5. So start by taking the paper off and grabbing your sharp knife. Careful not to cut yourself. Now, you can break this into chunks, but I prefer to cut mine into fourths. Like that. Take those, throw them into your blender. Next up, there are peanut butter balls in the thing. I don't have a mixer, so we're just gonna straight up grab these and put them in. So yeah, let me get this off the stand so you can see better. You want to be careful because these are melting pretty quickly. So you got your ice cream, your Reese's cups, and your peanut butter balls. This is all that's missing. So So I'm gonna add that since I'm gonna need 2 hands to do it. I just elevated my camera because this next step is very important. Take your blender and screw top on to the cup of it. Sorry about that, I'm trying to figure this out as I go. Next, get your blender. I'm using a magic bullet here because it's not that big. And get ready to blend. This one, I just push my hand down, it blends. I'm actually just gonna blend it as I get the power on. I'm about to plug it in. Remember, do not use this unless you know how to use one. Get adult supervision if needed. Now, because this is a blender, do prepare for your stuff to be destroyed and mixed up in there. You may need to take your spoon and mash it about as I did in between. So, now that you did what you did, take that cup which you used to put the ice cream and measure in, take your blender, unscrew the top. Ooh, that's actually looking pretty close to what it was. Dump it out. Now you'll get less than what you actually put because it removes some of the air inside. Also leaves some around. Don't worry about cleaning it yet because, as I said, this was only half. You're gonna get a lot less than you actually expect too. So, you can always do more. Almost forgot. The frozen bar of chocolate here of your choosing can be opened. And then you break it into pieces. Just drop those in and blend them up. Because the actual blizzard itself had chocolate chunks too. Wanted, I think I had a little too much chocolate. Take your spare cup and just pack this stuff down. Now, it's okay to put a little too much in the first because you're actually gonna deal with this. Make sure you do this and pack it down. Now you can always just settle this and actually put it in the freezer to make a nice groove for what we'll do in between. So I'm just gonna quickly whip up another bit and I'll show you what you do next. Assuming you haven't been using any extra creamy ice cream or anything in hot areas and you've been making sure to cool it off, here comes the most interesting part. And no, before anybody says anything against it, we have peanut butter here for a reason. Oh, I forgot to get another spoon. I'll be right back. Okay, so get your 1 scoop of peanut butter. 2, if your scoop wasn't big enough. Try and get it in. Oh no, it doesn't want to go in. Here's a little new trick. It's called the helper spoon. It was almost like it wasn't sticking at all. Now, I'm gonna get a little more. And just put it right in. Now, because of the way science works, and surface area and all that, the ice cream is melting fast. So you want to melt this while you cool yours off. Of course, I'm recording for YouTube so I can't cool mine. Microwave this for about 30 seconds, and then you'll see the next interesting thing. Now, I wasn't able to cool mine down, so it looks runny. Not as runny as this here. You want to be very careful here. Just gently pour your peanut butter in. Because yes, the middle of the peanut butter blizzard actually had melted peanut butter. I know it sounds weird, but their mixer was able to do it, and it's why it took longer than most blizzards. So I had to trade secret. I love the taste of hot peanut butter. Just put that in your to wash area. And take the rest of your stuff, add it in. Oh, that stayed down pretty cool. Now, you may want to cool this a little, but pretty much there you got your Reese Peanut Butter Blizzard. Now, you can use the rest of your chocolate, smashed up, add cups, anything to really decorate this. And I'll demonstrate. And there you go. I just shoved some in there. Oh, almost forgot. The signature Danuch thing. Melted peanut butter balls. Let's just plop one right there. They make sure to serve it cold so that they can flip it up and all that. I'm not gonna flip it up because this was blended. So there you go. Kinda messy, but you get yourself a Reese Peanut Butter Blizzard. Not as good as they can do, but it's your homemade version. And now, I'd love to see Reese's actually do what they did last time I made a video. Ooh, that would be so bad.